This is Cabilao Island in Bohol. And this is Ernie Lopez, the host of the ABS-CBN TV show I am directing, G Diaries. Somewhere here in Cabilao, Gail, Tayan and I were interviewed as part of our Typhoon Odette episode. And this is what happened.
Busy pa yung mga tao and we didn't know when kami magkabubong. Kasi yung mga construction.
Basta, it came to a point, walang kuryente, walang tubig, walang gamit. So, you really learn to appreciate what's really important. Yun yung...
Tabuhay pa.
Yes.
Yun yung important.
In this episode of Super Tayan, we get to ride bangka boats in the morning, in the evening, and even when it's raining. We got lost on the road but found a beautiful resort. We opened a box of surprise. And we even got trapped in a floating cottage because of the heavy rains. So we're now boarding for Bohol. Tayan is here. Hi, very sleepy pa. So we're lining outside because the terminal is under construction. Tadaan. Our vlog today is about Tayan's many firsts. His first time outside Cebu. His first time to ride a ship. And his first time to be part of being interviewed on national TV. So the G Diaries episode we are shooting, we are covering the relief efforts in Cabilao Island, just 20 minutes from the mainland of Bohol. And this is the first of the many bangka boat rides for Tayan.
Borrow ka bike, baby? Where's baby? Where's baby? Tara, where's baby? Tara na. Borrow? Borrow? Ano? Oh. Again.
Boy.
Again. Suroy ka dito, mag-bike ka. Sige.
Tayan, where's the moon?
Muna, saan mo?
Ay, mamaya dun sa kabila. Yung sa Sandingan, ano, di ba? Yung moon laki.
Oo.
Snow moon pala yun kahapon. Kaya yung nakita natin dun sa...
Bye-bye Island. Bye-bye Island. Thank you Island. One of the many highlights of the trip was when we got lost looking for a restaurant. A good thing we found this hidden gem. So we were looking for a place to have lunch and then we got lost. And we landed here. Ano pa? Boffo Resort. Boffo Resort in Loon. Pretty nice place. Galing, ganda.
Careful na. Careful na. Oo. No.
What's the sound of the fish?
Doggy.
Kami rin, nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng nagbibigay din sa amin para maibigay rin namin sa inyo.
A few minutes later.
Bidirect na nga eh.
Oo nga, kasi ganito raw ang gagawin, Daddy. Daddy, dito
Sungit
ka.
na mag-direct, no?
O, di ba? Siya yung boss?
Alam niya yun.
And then, doon, dito na. As we could stop here na lang. Ay, baka ay, shucks. Hi! So, we just finished the shoot in Cabilao Island. And look at my assistant director. Okay lang, Director yan. Okay lang.
Pero maganda angle niya, no?
Before we head on to another adventure, here's a quick unboxing of the special gift from Miss Michelle and Sir Ernie.
Look, let's open this. Oh! Wow! It's a gift. So, Gail and Tayan, a little something to let you know we are thinking of you in the month of love. Ernie and Michelle. Yay! Open! Yee! Oh, what's this?
Oh, yes. Sige lang. Wala na.
Oh, sige. Open.
Wow.
It says,
Oo, yeah.
alright, okay. Open. Hello. What's
Okay,
this?
open.
This one.
Open.
What is that?
Wow. Mama. Be.
What's
Let's eat.
na siya? Eat?
Eat. Tayan, eat. What? Ano? Lami.
Uy, umagit sa tagsa. Give daddy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Uy! Say, thank you.
How do you say thank you? Mom.
How do you say thank you? Ride the boat. Boat number, I don't know na. Everyone. Ride me boat at tumisa. Floating cottage for lunch. Yay! This is where we're having our lunch.
Where's the boat?
Lunch.
Mommy, how do you find the food?
It's so flabbergasting, you know? Naalala ko na may asawa ko kung ano kinakain sa bahay.
Oo nga po. Except, tangatag sa gabi.
100 lang iniwang ko eh.
2 hours later.
Malakas po ang hangin. We are stranded. Hallelujah! So it's raining and Tata, we're still here sa cottage. We cannot see anything. There. Good luck na lang.
A few minutes later.
All in all, Tayan's first trip outside of Cebu was indeed special. Meeting new friends, new food, new mishaps, and new experiences. A taste of the life ahead of what it's like to be a son of a TV and film director. It wasn't easy. As parents, we've learned a lot. But I'm pretty sure Tayan also collected plenty of beautiful memories along the way. Thank you for watching. If you have not, please do subscribe and support our journey to 1,000 subscribers so you can join us in the next adventures of Super Tayan, ang Batang Lagan.